Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, all my homies, my big dogs. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Today is December 18th. It is 6:30 in the morning, West Coast 6:38, so I'm a little bit late. I've closed some positions from yesterday. If you guys tuned in to yesterday's video, which I'm sure no one even watches these videos, so who cares? So this more to my future self, but we did a good job because we held our open positions, our calls. We knew something was going up. It was up, but yeah, we held those positions. Hold on, let me put this light on. Let me see. It's a little dark in here. A little dark in here. Is that a little bit better? Yeah, that's a little bit better. A little bit more light in here. All right, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and take this out. What the hell? Okay. All right, pre-market lows here. A lot of liquidity on the downside on the higher time frame, a lot of liquidity on the upside. Technically, that's not pre-market highs. I would say this is pre-market highs here. Right. Swept that. Might come back and take these out. Okay, let's look on a higher time frame. Make sure we're not missing anything. We're going to be patient today. Yes, I do think there's a lot of upside. We're also going to check some of the big movers here. Make sure we don't miss anything. Q's, Tesla, NVIDIA. Oh my days, bro. Yo, NVIDIA could move real big to the downside. Like really big to the downside. Look at that. Apple's down. Google is up. Tesla's up pretty big overnight, but it's now starting to fall. And it looks like it's doing an inverse head and shoulders there. Ooh. We're watching. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to place an alert below. That means SPY is probably falling. Look at this. Let's get to it. Okay, so yes, there's a lot of upside liquidity. Like a lot of upside liquidity. Upside liquidity. Listen to me talk, dude. There's a lot of liquidity up here. So just being weary. Honestly, right now I'm just waiting. I just scalped a little bit. There. I've got to make some money back, so I'm on the scalping train until I see some clear signs of a play. Like I said, on the higher time frame, I see lots of upside liquidity here. We still got this like descending wedge here. I just kind of want to see if it plays into it. They faked us out there. Just want to see what happens. Patience. Ain't that shit crazy? My account is fluctuating like crazy right now. Like crazy right now. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing, I'm home now. I'm stupid. Okay, let's log back in. Sorry. Here's what I'm really looking at. If Tesla creates this head and shoulders, it could get ugly, man. Like ugly. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Doom. So yeah, we're just being weary. Right now on the day we're up 522. I know I haven't really called out trades. That's on me, guys. I've honestly just been scalping, just little moves here. Just because I've been down so bad yesterday, I gotta recoup some of this. So yeah, currently we're up 522. Not sure if it's gonna show. I'll try to leave a screenshot there. Focus. Maybe if I take off the blurb. Anyways, I'm not gonna keep trying. Anyways, yeah, guys, if this starts to break down, this might be a waiting trade. See what happens. Tesla could be a banger of a play. Like a banger of a play. I'm waiting to see. NVIDIA also looks like it could be a banger of a play. So here, we're gonna set this alert. If it drops below, we in that be. Okay, I'm just checking in on some of my other positions because I do have other positions here. Yes. Okay, UPS is doing well for me. I've got a decent amount in UPS. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. From Louisville, Kentucky, so hometown heroes. UPS International Headquarters is headquartered in Louisville, Kentucky. So partial bias, but also just knowing I also leveraged down out of ASML previously. I should have been telling you guys this. But yeah, I've been leveraging down out of ASML, which has been good. I need to actually make a thing of all my holdings. Cause, yeah, I need to clear this out. Sorry, the relay's probably insane. I bet. That is on me. No longer holding McDonald's. Took that. NVIDIA, FNDX. Going UPS, yes. Costco, yes. Get that out of here. Get that out of here. Get this out of here. Palantir, bro. I can't wait till you crash and burn, brother. I ain't gonna cap to you. I ain't gonna cap to you. Alright, let's go back and check. Okay. So, just looking, guys, right now. This is the 5 minute, 15 minute on the right. Let's go to the 30 minute. We still have this descending wedge here. We see this break and retest. This is what I thought happened yesterday. I thought we were getting a break and retest, but it didn't happen. So I'm curious to see if this is the signal for us to start on the upside here. Very, very curious to see. My goodness. Things are looking on the upside. Still nothing I want to hop in right away. Just being cautious. I do have leaps. So normally in Q4 we see this. I've heard it be called the Santa rally. But normally in Q4 we get this Q4 rally where, retailers, like not just retail traders, but like truly retail buyers, retail is going up. There's just an influx in spending. The holidays always kind of bring in some cash flow. So typically that is a influx in buying there. Typically. Now, we do see this little spike. Yesterday I was holding calls that I closed today. Yesterday we had downside all the way to 300. Today I opened them up plus 100. And that's the thing, like yesterday, if we go back, I thought this was out of this descending wedge. I thought this was the break and retest, but we ended up coming back and formulating this right here. So this could be the break. We'll see what happens here if we want to come back and fully retest. I mean, we can see on like a 5 minute candle that's going to be a retest and rejected out of there. So we could come in and start taking out some of this liquidity on the upside. I'm just being patient because I want full confluence. Yesterday, I got absolutely burned. Absolutely burned. And I don't want that to happen today. I'm just going to be patient, man. It's a part of the game. You just got to keep rolling with the punches. Recoup. But, yeah, man. This shit get wicked. This shit get wicked, bro. Okay. So, currently I'm just waiting. We're on the 30 minute. We're at S1 for pivot points. So I just want to see if we reject here or if we're going to go all the way through, possibly come in and finally start taking out some of this high side. You can see my prediction yesterday. This is my bias. And that shit just didn't happen. But if today is the day for the upside, that would be kind of sick. Because we know it's coming, you know? Like so many red days in a row, we have to, like, if we go back to the daily on SPY, actually might, I'm waiting to see still. But this break and retest is giving me signs that we might want to come up into this upside here. There is this small little gap, right, that we might be trying to just recover and then reverse there. So I'm just waiting patiently. But yeah, let's go to SPY daily. Bro, look how many red candles that is. Now, mind you, this was the last time we hit the 100-day moving average. Ain't no way a 200-day moving average is way down there. Yo, what? Okay. Okay, we're getting a lot of buy side here. I just want to see what we do when we come into this order block. Again, alright, rejecting. Mostly like into this area here. Yeah, we really have to see what goes on here. This one is just going to be patience. Patient, patient, patient. Because here's the thing. I don't want to come into here and then it actually be rejection and then we just fall. Right? That would suck. Everything is shooting right now. You see SPY have a little bit of a slowdown there. You see it's starting to fall there. Check in on some of my swings. Currently, I'm in a Disney swing. CRM, I've actually closed out. We actually cashed pretty big on that one. I don't know why I have Disney twice. Starbucks, I am in. Nike has earnings after hours today. Intrigued on that one. Intrigued. I can't even play it just because of how much has been going on. Starbucks, I am in though. Actually ecstatic to start to see that one finally come into the upside because, brother. Yeah. I think it get really bullish. I'm just gonna hold Starbucks because I do think I could get really bullish out of this. Just holding that. SMR, I am holding still long term. Energy sector, it could be 20 years. Guys, who cares? I'm holding it. You gotta understand which ones are investments and which ones are trades. That one for me is a good investment. Nike is a trade for me. Aqua down horrendous, rightfully so. Thing is incredibly overvalued. Incredibly overvalued. Yeah, I still do have positions in it, but yeah, it's incredibly overvalued. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let us see what happens. Did my mic just go out? Hello? Hello? Dude. I swear sometimes this might be pissing me off, dude. Wow. Okay, Tesla's shooting right now. Maybe, baby. Whatever you want. Take care of your ladies, fellas. Take care of your ladies. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. All right. Let's see. We back. Okay, we're starting to get some downside here. Let's look. Okay, I'm still waiting to see. You can see this is like a huge order block here. I'm not gonna hop in just rashly. It could have just came in and covered this 30-second fair value gap. We may just reverse right out of that. On the higher time frame, as I said before, it may excuse me, getting cold. Oh, this is difficult. I don't really like these conditions, honestly. It could easily come back down, which it looks like that's what it's doing. Right? Just gotta be weary because we do have like this trend line. Dude, I swear half of trading is just being able to identify patterns. That's it. Being able to identify patterns. Moving accordingly. Yeah, honestly, guys, I'm just scalping my way right now. I don't even want to know what's going on. Just taking all risk off the table, kind of. currently up about 600 on the day. Let's see what happens here. I need to check. I want to check some of these. If Tesla let me turn this down. You guys are probably getting mad relay right now. Okay. Quick analysis. Let's just do some quick analysis, right? You see this trend line? Boom. Look at that reversal. I scalped on the downside. Didn't want to play the upside. Wanted to be patient. That's why we waited. Just looking here. I got some alerts. We may have to pause this video and come back, guys. Like I said, I've just been scalping. Just in and out, in and out. Just because, I mean, honestly, sometimes this is the best way to trade. Like, especially days like this, if we follow this like trend pattern where we make a wedge, brother, and you can identify that, brother, print, become a market maker and print. But quick analysis. If we look on the right side of my chart here, we got Tesla possibly forming a head and shoulders. We're just waiting to see. If it does form this head and shoulders, oh my days, bro. That's like a 20-point move right there. Like a 579 to 559, bro. It's a 20-point move, if not more. That's where I would take it. 559. Being vigilant. SPY, if we go back and we look on a daily, there is still a lot of room down here, man. Like a lot of room that could be covered here. So I'm just being patient. I do think it can continue to go down. This is why I didn't play the reversal. But yeah, I'm just being patient. I think I like Tesla puts way more. We see this huge order block on NVIDIA here. I'll just see what happens. Okay, let's look at NVIDIA really quickly, because you guys don't understand. Sometimes it takes more than just technical analysis. You need to look at its fundamentals. Look at this PE, 42 PE, bro. Give me that. We're buying some NVIDIA right now. I don't care. If it comes down into the 200 moving average, give it to me. Bet. Say less. I'm in there. Right? Like, I'm in there. Don't even worry about it. Let's clean this up a little bit. I do think there's a lot of downside that could still be had. But, like, yeah, I'm in that. Going back to SPY, I need to check if it falls from 689. Let's just look. 689 to where is it right now? It's only 2% fall. If we get a 10% fall into here, best believe, and we had the 200-day moving average, best fucking believe you buy, brother. You buy. You just buy blindly, and you just buy. You buy, because that most likely will pay. And those who are smart will trade it correctly as well. Amazon's still in a huge order block. Let's clean this up. You see this major order block there on Amazon. Nothing I want there, but it is looking like it's in a good position. 258. I mean, that's probably what, 258 to 220, 10% off. Yeah. Bro. I mean, it's Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and buy another one. Excuse me. Dude, if we fall through, oh my days. That would be insane. We're just waiting to see. So yeah, let me know if Sundays I will dedicate to charting days. We'll make charting videos on Sunday. Let me know if you guys want an Instagram page as well. I'm not really huge on social media. I don't even post on my own social media much. My chick hates it, bro. And I'm gonna do better. This is why I'm being more consistent in recording these videos and posting them for you all. But I'm gonna do better. But yeah, just being patient right now. Okay, cool. Look, we did get the bounce here. Huge bounce. My days. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Buyers are like, I'm ready. And look, it's just easy indication of trend here. Right? Tune. So far it's been pretty flat. I'm on East Coast. It's 7:20. I'm on the West Coast, so East Coast it's 10:22. Normally I like to be done around 11 for the moves. So we'll just see what happens in about 30 minutes. I don't want to keep the videos too long either, because that's normally the time I like to trade, like from like 9 to 11 is usually when we get a lot of movement. But and you can see here, like right before 11 we start to see a massive move. Boom. 10:45. Hold on, guys. Oh, bro, I'm so sorry. I had to leave for a second to help my wife. Oh, no. We missed a massive one, guys. Okay. I'm okay with sitting out here, since we're in this order block here. If anything, I'll just see if we can scalp some of this downside. Maybe. Maybe. But yeah. It looks like it wanted to do that, guys. Look at that. Just identifying trends. You see how we see that? Honestly, I'm okay with sitting that out because nothing was guaranteed. Nothing was promised. Oh, my days. Hold on, chat. Hold on. All right, we're back. Chat, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm okay with missing that move, honestly. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What we about to do? Damn, did I just get duped? Oh my days. Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. That shit's climbing, B. I want some of this 1 minute gaps to be filled. Is what I want. Yeah, that's what I want. The market never gives me what I want, but it's what I want. Look at this, just doing what it wants. Yeah, just rude. Just no respect for anyone. Just rude. Just absolutely rude. Look at that, guys. It's just pushing. Oh my days. Oh my days. Can we get a red candle? Like a big red candle? Maybe into 678 would be nice. That'd be nice, lad. I see you slowing up a little bit. If you can come into 678, that'd be nice. Just a quick scalp. Yeah. No. Don't you do it. Don't hit this level and then reverse. Come on. Come fill some of these imbalances. Come on. Come on, lad. Alright, we got 1 minute. We need this to close under. Yeah. Don't do it, lad. Don't do it, lad. Come back. Oh my days. Come on. Alright, we can see it slowing up. All jokes aside, we can see it slowing up here. I'm in another just quick scalp here. Doesn't look good though. That is not what we want. Bro. That's insane, dude. If we come up into these levels, I honestly wasn't ready for that. It just keeps pushing and pushing and pushing. Nah. Okay. You telling me we're not about to see some red candles here? You telling me you're just gonna keep pushing up? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I mean, it very easily could. Like, it very easily could. Like I said, there's high draws on the high for the upside on liquidity. So, like, I would not be surprised in the slightest. It's probably gonna make a new high here. You can still see it wants to keep pushing up. Wow, guys. Well, it's insane. It's honestly insane. We called it. I was just too skeptical with all the moves. But yeah, this is the upside. Kind of crazy. In the 680 right now. Ow, I had the 679 calls yesterday. Knowing, dude. Like I said, there's high draws up here. Oh my goodness, dude. I said, I don't give a about you. Jeez, dude. Dude, to scalp, your execution has to be so on point. Like entry, exit, all that. It could be coming into here like son of a bitch. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it here. I'm over trading, losing money. I need to chill out. So I'm gonna call it here. We'll see what happens tomorrow. This was yeah. Upset I missed all these moves, but whatever. Sorry, guys. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'll catch you guys on the flip. Peace.